If you've been with me for a while, you know that I don't like gold, but this vase converted me. It's from House of Frasers. As soon as I spotted it during their Christmas sale, I knew it had to come home with me. I also knew I didn't want to spend too much money, so I turned to DIY.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far. I'm so happy that you're here to see my Gold Rush cozy living room. If you're new here, my name is Shule and I really love decorating my home. I hope in today's video you would like what you see and decide to subscribe to my channel. This video is part of a collab that I'm doing with my dear friends. I call them my YouTube sisters, Ellen, Anne and Tammy. I'm the new member of Glam Squad. And I'm really honored to be part of this beautiful group and working with these talented ladies. We will have regular uploads throughout the year and this is our first one. The playlist will be in my description box below, so you can go and tell them that you're coming from My Style, My Colors.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles.
Some of these items that I DIY'd I already shared, and some of them I haven't yet. I'm going to make another DIY video and I'm going to tell you how I turned 1 pound IKEA plastic bowl into a gorgeous bowl that I use for my orchids. I bought 3 salad bowls from IKEA and I turned each of them into unique home decor items. You really don't want to miss that video. So turn your notification bells, please.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational to decorate your own home with gold. Let me know what you think about my gold collection. I am really looking forward to hearing, especially from my regular viewers who knows how much I disliked gold before. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you are after budget-friendly home decor ideas to take your home to the next level. I'm done, but you're not done yet. Please go to my description box and click on the link for the playlist so you can watch all the other cozy winter room decors. Show them some love and tell them that you are coming from my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.